technology by itself, I don't see it as a threat. For me, it's always who is in possession of that technology and what is the intention behind that, the usage of it. And this goes for many, many things. And therefore, it's the same that I, for myself at least, would apply now to AI. It can, of course, simplify, make things that before you've spent a lot of your lifetime to somehow figure out, well, now you just make it a little bit more quicker. But the question is, quick is not always good. Yeah, like we mentioned already before, it depends on, in some circumstances, quick is good. In some circumstances, quick is not good. In some circumstances and use cases, AI is good. In other cases, it might not be the proper way to leave it to an artificial intelligence.
Before we can hope to use AI in a beneficial way, we must first cultivate clarity, ethical awareness, and emotional balance. This is because technology without morality becomes dangerous. It can accelerate chaos rather than resolve it. AI can process data at incredible speed, but it cannot discern truth from deception without the framework of human values. It can generate solutions, but it cannot decide which path is righteous without human guidance.
As long as there are still human beings on this earth where the blood is running through the veins, there are still a lot of unsolved questions that all cultures and all generations have always asked about ourselves. And if the world out there is getting too crazy, then just return back to that very, very simple question and figure out, what are you, who are you? And then everything else out there is forgotten, because then you are entering into a world which is different.
Everything in life exists in dynamic equilibrium. Yin and yang, effort and rest, action and stillness. AI represents an extraordinary leap in the yang aspect of human capability: action, speed, and external change. To balance this, humans must cultivate the yin reflection, patience, and inner stillness. Without this balance, rapid external advancement may lead to internal emptiness or moral disorientation. In other words, while AI accelerates the outer world, we must deliberately slow down our inner world to ensure harmony. Today, Shi Heng Yi will guide you through the simple yet powerful Qigong movements. These exercises are not about strength or flexibility. They are about awareness, about tuning in, about restoring the natural flow of life energy, your Qi.
Bow first. Inhale. Exhale. Bow. Inhale. Step out. Exhale. Ready. From here, we take the weight onto the right leg, left leg step out, and bring out the fist. Movement number one. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh no, 7, 8. One more time. Inhale. Exhale.
We are unlocking the energetic gates in the shoulders and spine. It allows Qi, the vital energy, to flow without resistance. When energy flows freely, fatigue disappears and clarity returns.
Cross the arms. Step out the lower arm here. Bring it out here. 1. Then next movement. Gong Bu. 1, 2. Push kick. 3. Mabu. 4. One more time.
This exercise trains your coordination, balance, and helps the internal organs to harmonize. As you sway, your breath deepens, and your mind becomes lighter. This is how stress leaves the body.
Cross the arms. Weight onto the right leg. Step out. Bring out the fist. Yeah. After the Mabu. Gongbu. Push. Mabu. Bring the feet together. Stomp. Right fist. Left palm and jump. One more time. Wow. Inhale. Step out. Exhale. Focus. Left side. Get ready. Cross. Weight onto the right leg. Step out. Bring out the fist. Gongbu. Push kick. Long. Stop.
This posture builds strength from the inside. The drawing of the bow activates your lungs, opens your chest, and improves focus. It teaches intention. Where your eyes go, your energy flows.
Step by step. Watch slowly. Feet are together. Inhale. Down in front of the heart. Bow. Inhale. Lift the elbows, open the chest. Step out. Exhale. Get ready. Clench the fists. Focus. Cross the arms. Left arm under the right arm. Swing out. Mabu. Switch Gongbu. First, move the left foot. Right leg. Push kick, left palm. Push. From this position, go right into a Mabu. Open, left palm, right fist. Stop. The hand position, left palm, right fist. Bring it together in front of the knees. And from here, 180 degrees jump, Mabu, right hand in front of the head and left fist to your left side.
This movement clears tension from the spine and shoulders while improving circulation. You finish the practice both calm and empowered.